So, hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you. You're receiving this message because we have worked together in some capacity. I have either shown you a property, leased you a property, sold you a property, or maybe you walked through one of our many open houses. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're transitioning back into residential real estate, my first love. I've been a realtor for over 14 years. I'm actually a broker now. So if you know someone who's looking to buy or sell, think of us first. We have a team ready to assist you. Our website will be up very, very soon. You will be able to search for your dream home, check out your home values. We also have access to numerous vendors, lenders, designers, and so much more. Check out our community page as well. Our marketing department has also expanded. We are optimizing our Instagram and Facebook, so make sure you like our pages. We've also started our YouTube page. Expect weekly valuable content every Thursday. We are enhancing your overall experience to provide you with more value. We look forward to assisting you guys to continue to assist you with all of your real estate needs. And remember, stay blessed. Hope to see you soon.